Good morning, class. Today we are going to do chapter number 7. I have my rights. Children, in this chapter we are going to study about the rights of the children. Okay, now what is a child according to Indian Constitution? A child according to Indian Constitution is anyone below the age of 18 years. If your age is below 18 years, you are a child and you have got certain rights with you. Okay, now these rights are very important and basic, and they are given to us by God. God has given this beautiful life, children. God has given us the freedom to live happily, to laugh at every moment. Okay, and this right of ours is protected by our Constitution of India. Now, our Constitution of India gives us some rights. Right to equality, like we all are equal. Right to freedom, we all are free. Right against exploitation and many more. Now, children, nobody can take away these rights from us. These are our rights. Nobody can take them away from us. It is our adhikar. Now, how they came into our life, kids? In 1959, nations belonging to United Nations came together for a meeting and they discussed these rights and secured for the children. Now this list came to be known as Rights of the Child 1959. Now India adopted these rights on 11th December 1992. Now what are these rights, children? First of all, the very important right is right to education. Every child has the right to get free and compulsory education in the age group of 16 to 14 years. Then second very important right is right to expression. Means you are free to express yourself, your opinion, your views. Okay, class. Then one more important right is right this one, right to protection from exploitation. Now this right says that the child below the age of 14 years should not work. He or she should go to school. Now there are many rights given over here which you can read yourself and you have to match them. Okay. Now children, it is very good that you are knowing your rights, but it is that you are being given the rights, but it is also very important that you know that these are your rights, because there are millions of kids in India, those are not even aware of their rights and they are denied of their rights. They are not going to school, they are just begging on the roadside. They are not being given proper medical treatment. Okay, there is also a movie on this, Slumdog Millionaire, which shows the ways in which children are denied their rights and are exploited. Now children, it is your duty that if you know somebody in your relatives or anywhere, if you know, please let them know their rights. They should go to school, they should have the proper education, they should have proper food to eat. This is their right, and there are authorities, there is administration for this. This constitution is a very beautiful constitution which gives us protection, children, and we should take it. But we will take it only when we are aware of it. When we are not aware of our rights, that we are having this right, there are government schools that we should go and take free education. There are government hospitals also that we should go and take proper treatment also. So until and unless we are not knowing our rights, how we are going to take them? So you are lucky, you are very lucky, children, that your parents are sending you to school. You are having this right and you are taking it. Okay, this is a very beautiful thing in your life which is happening right now. And similarly, you should be aware and make others also aware of their rights, children. But also, children, never misuse your rights. Okay, if you are having something for your benefit, you should take benefit from it and help others also, but never ever misuse it. Now children, there is a small activity, My Bill of Rights. You have to make a poster of your own. I have the right to, like one is given, be treated with respect. Okay, like this is your right, children. You should be treated with respect. Many more you can add. Like, agar ye mera choice hota, to I would have written, I have the right to laugh. Okay, I have the right to dance. I have the right to enjoy. I have the right to study a lot. Okay, so like this you can make your own chart. I hope you understood, children, this chapter, and please You should know these rights also. You must have studied them in your civics period. But other than also, for GK also, you should know all these things. Okay, you should be aware of your rights, your fundamental duties. Okay, class? I hope this chapter is clear to you. And if you have got any problem or doubt, you can please always come to me. Have a nice day.